Hello my dear students, welcome you back once again on Simple Digital School, and today we have to cover up MCQs of Management Information System Set 3, question number 71 to question number 80. But before we move on, I request each one of you kindly subscribe the channel if you are new to the channel. Question number 71. The person generally responsible for the program design strategy, standards and construction is called program librarian, backup chief programmer, network designer or a chief programmer. See, we are talking here about somebody who is actually responsible for the coding part, for the programming, complete design, the standard of programming and whatever language or the code construction. The answer is chief programmer. Question number 72. Which one of the tests is performed on the sub-test of a program? Subset test, unit test, स्टब टेस्ट और सिस्टम टेस्ट. मैनेजमेंट इंफॉर्मेशन सिस्टम को डेवलप करते हैं तो उसका जो पूरा कोड होता है उसका एक स्मॉलर पार्ट इज कॉल्ड एज अ सबसेट ऑफ अ प्रोग्राम. उस सबसेट की जो टेस्टिंग है उसे करने के लिए कौन सा टेस्ट परफॉर्म किया जाता है? द आंसर इज स्टब टेस्ट. Question number 73. Which one of the following is the last phase of the system's construction phase? एक complete system को जब हम construct करते हैं तो उसके construction phase का भी जो last phase है वो कौन सा होगा? Build and test the databases, write and test the new programs, prepare conversion plan, build and test the networks. The answer here given is write and टेस्ट द न्यू प्रोग्राम्स. क्योंकि जब कंस्ट्रक्शन फेज का लास्ट फेज आता है तो उसमें हम इंक्लूड करते हैं न्यू प्रोग्राम्स को, उनको राइट किया जाता है और टेस्ट किया जाता है. इट हैज नथिंग टू डू विद द डेटाबेसेस, कन्वर्जन प्लान और टेस्टिंग ऑफ द नेटवर्क्स. क्वेश्चन नंबर 74. Which installation strategy is a variation of the abrupt and parallel conversion? Here the options given are location conversion, staged conversion, partial conversion, hierarchical conversion. We are talking about a variation of abrupt or parallel conversion. देखिए इसका जो वेरिएशन का पार्ट होता है वो होता है staged conversion. Question number 75. Which of the following are the tasks of the system conversion phase? Whenever we are developing any management information system, कौन से टास्क हमारे इंक्लूड किए जाते हैं systems conversion phase में? Prepare conversion plan, train users, convert into the new system or build and test the networks. Build and test the networks. That is the major task which is done in the system conversion phase. Question number 76. Which of the tests is the final system test performed by the end users using real data over an extended period of time? Options are final test, complete test, systems acceptance test or the parallel test. Please see here when we say tests in the final system means when the system has been implemented, end user अपने real time data के साथ उसे use कर रहे हैं और time के साथ ये test किया जाता है कि कितना हमारा system acceptable है user के point of view से. So here the answer will be systems acceptance test. It is not only the final test, not complete test, not the parallel test. It is systems acceptance test from the point of view of the end user. Question number 77. Which of the following are the primary inputs into the task of writing and testing the new programs? Say here we have a situation कि सिस्टम ऑलरेडी है और हमें उसमें कुछ न्यू प्रोग्राम्स को इंक्लूड करना है, ऐड करना है. सो उसमें प्राइमरी इनपुट्स क्या रहेंगे while writing those new programs and testing those new programs? Programming plan, database structure और test the data. Programming plan, and test data are very crucial when we have to write and test the new programs. So the answer is both A and C. Question number 78. Which one of the following is the first phase of the systems implementation phase? Options are conduct system test, build and test the networks, prepare conversion plan, build and test the data basis. सिस्टम डेवलपमेंट लाइफ साइकिल के सिस्टम इम्प्लीमेंटेशन फेज की, और उस पर्टिकुलर फेज का जो फर्स्ट फेज है, व्हाट इट विल बी द कंडक्ट system test, because here we are implementing the system at a final stage, so it must be tested at a system level completely. So conduct a system test is your answer. Question number 79. Which one of the following are the deliverables of the systems implementation phase? Again, the question is regarding the systems implementation phase. System development life cycle का implementation phase में क्या deliverable होगा? What will be the final output after the system development life cycle implementation phase here? So the options are training materials, functional system, physical design specification, or the operational system. The answer here is operational system, because here we are now implementing the final system. Question number 80. Which of the following are the inputs to the system's construction phase? Whenever we are constructing the system, तो उसके inputs कौन से होंगे? This is what we have to see in this question. Options: design prototypes, redesigned business processes, physical design specifications, or all of the above. The answer is all of the above. Why? Because यहाँ पर हम सिस्टम कंस्ट्रक्शन की बात कर रहे हैं, तो सिस्टम के प्रोटोटाइप्स, मॉडल्स भी हमारे पास इंपॉर्टेंट है, बिजनेस के अलग अलग प्रोसेसेस को रीडिजाइन करना और उसे इम्प्लीमेंट करना, यूज करना भी इंपॉर्टेंट है, फिजिकल डिजाइंस की स्पेसिफिकेशंस को यूज करना भी इंपॉर्टेंट है. सो दीज थ्री, ऑल ऑफ देम आर द इनपुट्स ऑफ द सिस्टम कंस्ट्रक्शन फेज. Do check out the description box for this particular file of MCQs for your use. I have given the link there, and do let me know how you are finding these lecture series in the comment box. I'll be soon back with the question number 81 to 90 in the MCQs set 4. Bye bye, take care and have a wonderful life.